Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about fire safety, a critical topic for every workplace, for every home. Where you are, fire can be there. Fire can cause devastating damage, but with the right knowledge and precautions, we can prevent them. Let's start with the common cause of workplace fires. Electrical faults. Number one, it's possible in homes, possible at workplace, possible in office, possible in a factory, possible in a garage. Flammable materials. Possible at workplace, possible at home, possible in kitchen, possible at workshop, possible in your car. And human error are the top of top culprits. So to prevent these, ensure all electrical equipment is regular inspected and maintained. Store flammable materials properly and away from heat sources. Fire safety equipment is also crucial. Make sure your workplace has the right type of fire extinguishers. For different kind of fires, for example, A, B, C extinguisher for common fires and CO2 extinguisher for electrical fires. Smoke alarms and sprinkler systems should be installed and regularly tested. Now, what should we do in case of fires? Remember the PASS methods. When using the fire extinguisher, pull the pin, aim the nozzle and at the base of fire. Squeeze the handle and sweep from side to side. If fire is too large, evacuate immediately and call emergency services. Do not put yourself in dangers. Every workplace should have a clear and precipitate evacuation plan. Know your workplace routes and assembly points. Conduct regular fire drills and ensure everyone knows what to do. To wrap up, the fire safety is about prevention, preparation, and quick action. Regular inspection, proper storage, and having the right equipment can save lives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more safety tips, stay safe.